Imagine this. With nothing more than your hands, you have the power to create deep pleasure, safety, and connection for a woman you care about. Fingers, when guided with respect and skill, can unlock more intimacy than most people ever realize. They bend, adjust pressure, explore angles, and scale from 1 to 3 with precision no device can match. And yes, with the right touch, some women can reach breathtaking orgasms from fingers alone. I'm Dr. Masha, a urologist and men's health expert. And today I'll walk you through a step-by-step, medically sound, emotionally respectful way to use your hands, so a woman feels safe, seen, and completely pleasured. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Before we get into the steps, 2 essentials must come first. Consent and preparation. Always ask clearly, "Do you want me to touch?" You hear, "Keep the conversation flowing so trust never breaks." Then prepare the tools. Trim and smooth nails. Wash hands and undernails with soap and warm water. Remove rings. If dryness could be an issue, have an unscented water-based lubricant ready. Clean hands prevent micro scratches and lower infection risk, and lube prevents friction, so touch feels smooth and pleasurable. Step 1 is warm up and teasing. For most women, arousal isn't a light switch, it's a whole body journey. Begin away from the genitals. Kiss the neck, collarbones, inner arms, stroke the lower back, hips, and outer thighs. As you near the inner thighs, slow down. Over clothing or underwear, press your palm gently over the vulva and hold, then release. Trace the edges of the fabric. The aim is playful waves of pressure and release, so anticipation builds. Teasing isn't just fillerize the fuel. It increases blood flow to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal entrance, setting the stage for far more powerful sensations. Step 2 is external touch first, slow and gentle. With underwear still on, trace the outer lips and inner thighs with light strokes. When she gives the yes for skin, slide a fingertip along the outer lips, then inner lips. Keep touch, slow, exploratory. Circle around the clitoral hood instead of pressing directly on the tip at first. Most women find the bare clitoral glands too intense too soon. Think feather-light strokes, then soft circles, then slightly firmer ovals. Watch her breath, the shifts in her hips, the sound she makes. Those are your green lights telling you you're on the right path. Asterisk, step 3. Add rhythm around the clitoris. Every woman's sensitivity is uniquely her own, but most prefer steady, rhythmic patterns instead of random pokes or jolts. Try a gentle around-the-clock circle just outside the clitoral hood. Try slow vertical strokes moving from the pubic mound down toward the vaginal entrance, then back up again. Try soft, side-to-side figure 8s around the hood. Use 2 fingers together for a broader touch if she enjoys more coverage, or a single fingertip for a more focused, precise sensation. Ask short, specific questions along the way. Softer or firmer, faster or slower, higher or lower. These tiny check-ins show you're tuned in and listening. And they give her permission to guide the moment. Step 4. When to go inside and how. Wetness shows arousal, but it doesn't always mean readiness for penetration. Always check in with her. Do you want me inside? Yes. Add lubricant if needed and begin with 1 finger only. Never insert dry. Glide slowly into the vaginal entrance and pause just inside, allowing her pelvic floor muscles to relax. Use a gentle come here motion toward the front wall instead of fast and on-out thrusts. Fingers excel at creating angles and pressure, not speed. Explore gradually, just a few millimeters up, down, left, and right. If she tenses, withdraw slightly. Breathe together and return to external touch until she's comfortable again. Step 5. Find the anterior sweet zone. About 1 to 2 inches inside on the front belly side. The tissue often feels slightly spongy or ridged. That's the anterior zone, sometimes called the G-spot area, and it tends to swell and become more noticeable with arousal. Curl your fingertip toward it in a slow come-here motion. Start with light taps or short strokes, then build pressure only if she asks or if her body leans eagerly into it. Many women prefer steady, repeatable rhythms over brute strength. Keep your other hand free to hold her hip, caress her lower belly, or continue circling the clitoral hood with your thumb for blended stimulation. When these touches combine, the results can be deeply powerful. Step 6. Scale thoughtfully with 2 fingers and coordination. If she desires more fullness, gently withdraw, twist slightly, and insert 2 well-lubricated fingers together. Maintain the curl so your fingertips stay in contact with the front wall. Now blend motions. Inside, your fingers create a slow come here or tiny arcs, while your thumb or other hand keeps a steady pattern circling the clitoral hood. Remember, small movements often create the biggest impact. The more aroused she becomes, the less you need large gestures. Pressure and consistency take center stage. Step 7. Adjust pressure and speed near climax. As she climbs higher, her cues will intensify. Her hips will press forward, her breath quickens, her sounds deepen, her thighs may tremble. Find the rhythm and pressure her body's riding. Don't change it. Stay steady through the finish. If she says right there, treat those words like a lighthouse beam, constant, guiding, unwavering. Many climaxes fade when stimulation changes at the last second. So honor the pattern she's building on and hold it. Step 8. Variations. Many women enjoy hood strokes, 2 fingers forming a V, gently sliding the clitoral hood up and down without fully exposing the tip. Outer to inner wave-long strokes that travel from outer thighs inward to labia, then back out, resetting. Sensitivity. Pressure, hold your warm palm resting broadly over the vulva with a still, gentle press, deeply calming between peaks. Angle shift, slip a small pillow under her hips to adjust the angle of the anterior wall, making fingertip contact easier and often more satisfying. These variations keep the experience fresh, connected, and responsive to her unique rhythm. Step 9. Hygiene and comfort notes. Short nails, clean hands, and lube protect against micro tears. If you ever switch from any anal touch back to the vulva or vagina, always change the glove or wash thoroughly first. If she feels burning or pain, stop immediately. Add more lube and return to external touch. Sharp pain is always a no. Warmth or stretching can be okay only if she clearly says so. Respecting her comfort is what keeps trust strong and allows pleasure to flourish. Step 10. Talk and aftercare. Right after a peak, keep your touch steady but lighten the pressure as her body unwinds. Many women deeply enjoy being held, stroked on the ribs or hair, or having their thighs gently massaged. Offer her water. Later, when she's ready, ask one short question. What did you like most? File her answer in your memory. That is the real playbook for the future. And here are a few truths most men never hear. Not every woman climaxes from internal stimulation, and that is completely normal. Many prefer clitoral-focused touch only. Others enjoy a blend. The best way to know is always to watch, listen, and ask. The emotional tone matters most. When a woman feels safe, admired, and unrushed, blood flow and lubrication improve. Pelvic muscles relax and pleasure rises naturally. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share this with someone who wants genuine, respectful guidance. Your hands can be extraordinary instruments when used with patience, accuracy, and care. And for men who want to go a step further in supporting performance, natural supplements can help. 2 I often recommend are organic watermelon extract, rich in the amino acid citrulline to support nitric oxide and circulation, and an advanced formula combining ashwagandha, Tongkat, Ali, fenugreek, nettle, and citrulline to boost every aspect of male performance, from erections and stamina to testosterone and prostate health. Links are in the comments and in the video description. Step 1. Warm up and teasing. Arousal for many women is a full body process, not a switch. Start away from the genitals. Make out. Kiss the neck, collarbones, inner arms. Stroke the lower back, hips, and outer thighs. As you approach the inner thighs, slow down. Over clothing or underwear, press your palm gently over the vulva and hold, then release. Trace the edges of the underwear fabric. The goal is steady, playful pressure waves on and off, so anticipation rises. Teasing is not filler, it is fuel. It swells blood flow to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal entrance, which amplifies sensation later. Step 2. External touch.